everything okay in there?
Help!
Hello, is anyone there?
Is anyone there? Oh my God! Help!
Help! Help!
You know something? I don't think there's anybody there.
As shown by Neil and Roberto's struggles, the plain old telephone system, POTS, is being discontinued everywhere. And this can cause difficulties with security, fire alarms, and elevator systems, among others. This is why you need solid, reliable POTS replacement. The Connect Us Partner Network, the CPNzone, will connect you to an experienced and trusted POTS replacement advisor to make sure you get the best solution.
Help! Help!
Roberto, I can't take
What are we
anymore.
gonna do?
I can't take anymore. I can't take any more of this guitar playing. It's killing me.
With POTS replacement from CPNzone, emergency functions such as fire alarms and elevator intercoms are still supported. For more information, go to CPNzone and search or click on POTS.
Head over to CPNzone and we'll get you in touch with one of our trusted technology experts.